In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an incoming webhook URL on Slack, full 2026 guide. We'll walk through creating a Slack app enabling incoming webhooks and authorizing it for a specific channel so your external tools can post messages into Slack. I'll keep things simple, highlight what each click means, and share quick tips to avoid common hiccups. Start by heading to the Slack API site and opening the Apps section. This is where every custom integration begins. Click Create New App to start a fresh configuration. When prompted for a creation method, choose From Scratch. This gives you full control over the app's name and the workspace it belongs to, which is exactly what we need for webhooks. Enter a clear, descriptive app name. Pick something your teammates will recognize later, like a tool or system name followed by Webhook, so it's obvious what it does. Next, select the workspace where you want to install the app. You'll need permission to add apps in that workspace. If you don't have it, an admin may need to approve. With your name and workspace set, click Create App. Slack will take you to the app's dashboard, where you can configure features and permissions. On the left sidebar, open Incoming Webhooks. Incoming webhooks are simple endpoints that accept JSON and post as messages to a channel. Toggle the feature on. Turning this on tells Slack your app will create webhook URLs tied to channels. If the toggle is disabled, check your permissions, or confirm the app is created in the correct workspace. Now click Add New Webhook to Workspace. This starts Slack's authorization flow. You'll be asked to choose where the app can post. Use the search box to find the exact channel you want. You can select a public channel or a private one you're a member of. Make sure the destination is correct. Each webhook is scoped to the channel you pick. Click Allow to grant the app permission to post in that channel. After approval, you'll land back in your app's settings, where the new webhook URL is displayed under the Incoming Webhooks section. Treat this URL like a secret. Anyone with it can post to that channel. If it's ever exposed, remove it and create a new one. You can repeat the Add New Webhook action anytime to generate additional URLs for other channels within the same workspace. That's it. You've created a Slack app, enabled incoming webhooks, and authorized a channel. Save your webhook URL securely, and you're ready to connect your tools and start sending messages into Slack.